to watch it. Is that a good deal?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna watch it like 3 or 4 times. Like, when we're on the boat, I really don't have a bedtime limit.
Mm-hmm.
So I can just, I can be like, because my mom's not gonna go to bed till like 4 a.m. a lot of the nights, so I can just do it those nights.
Okay. So I'm going to go over prime and composite. I'm going to go over factor pairs, and I'm going to go over fraction times a whole number. That's what your report card said that you needed some help with. So a factor pair means that you have a number like 15. You're going to say, if you do this every single time, Peter, and you do it exactly the way I tell you to do it, this will be off your report card and you'll be a master at it. This is what it requires. It requires you to go, does 1 go into it? Yes. Does 2 go into it? No. Does 3 go into it? Yes. Does 4 go into it? No. Does 5 go into it? Yes. Does 6 go into it? No. Does 7 go into it? No. Does 8 go into it? Once you get to the halfway point, half of 15 is 7.5. So I'm at 8. I can stop and I can do 15. The factor pairs are taking what go together, what times what, all the factors that can make 15. So the factor pairs are the rainbow. Factor pairs would be 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. If you do it that way and have the patience to do it exactly like that, that'll get off your report card as a 2 and it'll go up to a 3 or a 4. That's exactly what you need to do no matter what the number is. If it's 49, yes, you have to go to 25. You have to go, does 1 go into it? Does 2 go into it? Does 3? You have to. And you can't just go, no, no. You have to like try it. Does 3 go into 49? No. Does 4 go into 49? And as soon as you can see, like right here I can see, it's not going to go in because 4 doesn't go into 9, right? This would be a 9. I can stop. Does 5 go into 49? No, because every single 5 ends in a 0 or a 5. That does not. Does 6 go into it? No, because 6 times 7 is 42 and 6 times 8 is 48. That is not a 49. Does 7 go into it? Ah, yes, it does. And you do that for the whole entire till 25. And I know it's a pain, but you will not miss any factor pairs. The second thing to remember is that every single factor has to have another part of the rainbow. So it can't just be 1 and nothing. It has to be 1 and 15, and then it has to be 3 and 5. If you're missing a factor pair, you have missed something, and then you have to go back and go, oh, let's see. What divided by 3 is, 15 divided by 3 is what? And then you would say 5. Oh, yeah, okay. So you have all the factor pairs there.
Yeah.
Prime and composite. Remember we talked about how you like prime drink? Well, we're going to remember it like this. Prime is so into itself, it loves to drink itself. It's like the best. Oh my gosh, prime is so great. Well, a prime number is so great that it's only into itself, n1. So, a prime number is, what are the factors of 1? 1 times 1. That is not a prime number because it only has one factor. 1 in itself, 2 and 1. 3 has 3 and 1. 4 has 1, 2, and 4. 5 has 1 and 5. 6 has 1, 2, 3, 6. So you're going to do that whole process for what they give to you. And if it has only 1 in itself, then it is a prime number. If it doesn't, like 4 has 1, 2, and 4, it is a composite number. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you have to follow that process through every single number. So if they give you 45, you have to find all the factors and then go, oh, it doesn't just have 1 in itself.
Yeah.
The other one is fraction times a whole number. So I have 1/3 times 5. Basically, any whole number actually is a numerator with a 1 as the denominator. So we just put that in. So it becomes this. And then we just multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. This is an improper fraction. So we go, how many times does 3 go into 5? 1 time. What is the remainder? It is 2. The 2 becomes the numerator, and whatever the denominator is, we put that up here. If you follow those exact steps, you'll get a 3 or 4 on your next report card. So the first step is you put the whole number over 1. The second step is, so whole number goes over 1. That's step 1. Step 2, multiply the numerators. Step 3, multiply the denominators. And most of the time, you're going to have to simplify or turn it into a mixed number. So we'll do another one. 3/4 times 8. So we put our 8 over 1. And then we do 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. Because it goes in evenly, it's not a mixed number. It's a whole number. Does that make sense? Okay. And then the opinion piece. When you're writing an opinion piece, basically what you're going to do is you're going to come up with your opinion. So you're going to write number 1, my opinion. Number 2 is reason 1. Number 3 is reason 2. Reason 3. And then your concluding statement. So, for example, I'm going to use my dog right here who's being naughty, but we're going to say, Aussie Doodles are the best. Obviously, you don't think that because you have a different dog. So you can tell whatever you want to say. You can write yours, Aussie Doodles are the best. You can write your dog breed.
Well, Hendrix is part Aussie Doodle.
Ah.
He's little Aussie Doodle and lab.
Is he the one that took all the treats?
That's Lola Peaches.
The
1-year-old maniac that has somehow found out to not run out of the house.
Oh my goodness. So, Aussie Doodles are the best. That's my opinion. Now, reason 1 is going to tell the reader why Aussie Doodles are the best. And I'm having a hard time figuring that out right now because my guy's being naughty. But I'm going to remember back to yesterday. They are smart. Reason 2, they are sweet. Reason 3, they are loyal. Now, you can tell this isn't the most fascinating reason, but we're just keeping it simple. Aussie Doodles are the best. Reason 1, they are smart. Reason 2, they are sweet. Reason 3, they are loyal. And then my conclusion is going to restate what I just said. So I'm going to write in conclusion, comma, Aussie Doodles are the best dog because, and I'm going to restate reason 1. They are smart. I'm going to restate reason 2. They are sweet. And then I'm going to restate reason 3. And they are loyal. Now, if we're doing a big essay, we have to come up with examples of why they're smart, examples of why they're sweet, and examples of why they're loyal, but we're not doing that right now. This is the basic bones of our essay. You state your opinion, you state reason 1 of your opinion, reason 2 of your opinion, reason 3 of your opinion, and then in conclusion, intro sentence, Aussie Doodles are the best dog because reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to